Hey everyone, welcome back to Best of the Best, where we help you make life easier, one product at a time. Today we are diving into a kitchen gadget that promises to save you time and effort. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper 4-in-1. Whether you are a home cook, a meal prep enthusiast, or just looking to upgrade your kitchen tools, this chopper could be the game changer you have been waiting for. This compact and powerful tool combines four functionalities in one device. It chops, slices, dices, and even spiralizes. Let's unbox this beauty and see what's inside. So, out of the box, you will find the main container, four interchangeable blades, a lid with built-in cutting mechanism, and a cleaning tool. The blades include a fine dicer, a larger dicer, a spiralizer, and a julienne slicer. It's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making it as convenient as it is versatile. The sturdy containers holds up to 4 cups of chopped veggies, and the non-slip base ensure it stays in place while you work. Now let's see it in action. So first off, let's dice something like onions. We'll use the small dicing blade. Place it in the chopper, secure the lid and press down. Now look, it's perfectly diced in seconds. No tear, no mess. Now let's try slicing cucumbers with the julienne slicer. Simply swap the blades and you are ready to go. These are great for salads or garnishes. For the spiralizer, you can use a zucchini to make zoodles. It's a healthier alternative to pasta, and the chopper makes it so easy. And lastly, the larger dicer is perfect for fruits like apples. Let's prepare some apples slices for a quick snack. Now here is what makes the full star vegetable chopper stand out. For starters, it's incredibly user friendly. The interchangeable blades let you switch tasks effortlessly. The container keeps your countertop clean, and the compact design means it's so easy to store. And it's super affordable compared to buying separate tools for each function. It's also safe. The lid keeps your fingers away from the blades, and the cleaning tool ensures easy maintenance without risk of cuts. Now let's talk about durability. The high quality materials ensure this tool lasts through countless meals preparation. Another great feature, the clear marking on the container help you measure your ingredients directly while chopping. This saves you from needing extra measuring cups and reduces cleanup time. This chopper isn't just for veggies. You can use it to prepare ingredients for soups, salsas, desserts, and even meal prepping for the week. Imagine chopping a whole week's worth of veggies in just minutes. Now, here are a few tips for getting the most out of your chopper. First, use from fresh produce for the best result. Second, cut larger items into smaller pieces before chopping. Third, clean the blades immediately after use to prevent food from drying on them. Number 4, store the blades safely in the container to avoid misplacing them. 5, when sterilizing, press evenly for consistent results. Suppose you are hosting a dinner party and need to chop a variety of veggies for your dishes. With the full star vegetable chopper, you will have everything prepped in no time, leaving you more time to focus on entertaining your guests. Overall, the full star vegetable chopper 4-in-1 is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's perfect for meal prep and will save you loads of time. Whether you are slicing, dicing, or spiralizing, this tool gets the job done efficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. See you next time.